Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching us how to properly wash a catfish. So if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. Now one galas. So I went to the market to buy the catfish, and I was able to bargain. I was able to buy the fish for 1,500 naira. That's that one that is just moving. That was one I ended up buying, and I bought it for 1,500 naira. So after that, I asked them to help me to cut it. Then I took it home to wash because I don't like cutting it myself. I prefer buying it in the market. They cut it, then I'll take it home and wash. As you can see the way they cut it, yes, you can decide to tell them how big or how small you want them to cut it for you. So that's that. So after that, I brought it home. So this is what I'm going to use to wash it. I have salt, I have alum, and I have lemon. I love to wash my fish very, very well so that that slimy stuff will not, as in, I don't want to feel it or see it. So that's that. I just open the tap, run some water on the fish, then I'll go ahead and add some salt to it. When I add the salt, then I'll start scrubbing it. After that, I'll use the alum. As you can see, I use the alum to also scrub on the body of the fish. The alum also helps in bringing out all the slimy stuffs that is on the body of the fish. You can see how the water is. So after washing it, you will not the water will be very, very clean. So that's when you know that you've properly washed your fish. So that is it. So you keep washing. This me using the alum to scrub on the body. I will do that for all the whole fish. After doing that, I will turn the water and do it probably um twice or thrice. So I use my knife to cut out those long thing on the mouth of the fish. I don't know the name, so if you know the name, you can leave it on the comment section. So after that, I threw out the dirty water and I went ahead to you know wash it again. Like I said earlier, I'm going to repeat it for like you know once or twice. It all depends on how dirty the water is. So after that, you can see our water is somehow clear, but then I'll still go ahead and use lime to wash it. This is just me squeezing the lime. That's the liquid for it to be in the water. Then after that, I will use the lime to also scrub on the body of the fish, just the way I did with the alum. So that's just basically it. You make sure you scrub it properly, not just the outside, even the inside of the fish. Make sure you use your lime to scrub it properly. If you should look at the water, you will notice that it's not as dirty as the former one. So that is it. So this, just use your lime to wash it, both the back, the inside, you know, stuff like that. Wash it very, very well. So after I use the lime to wash it, the next thing is just for me to rinse it. So after using the lime to wash it properly, the next thing is just for me to rinse it, and then for the final stage I use the salt to just wash it again. So that's that. You can see how the water is looking. It's very, very clean. It's not how it was earlier. So that's that. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, not forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely, lovely day. Thank you.